Hi everyone, I first just wanted to apologise before we got started because last week I said that I was going to bring you a tutorial of a child holding an earth balloon. Unfortunately, due to everything that's been going on lately, I just haven't found the time to finish that piece because with lockdown lifting now here where I live, I've been staying at my mum's place and now I can actually go home, so I've been getting myself ready to go home. Anyway, I still wanted to bring you a short tutorial, something easy for those beginners wanting to learn how to paint with acrylic. This is just a simple autumn tree with a sunny sky background. I really do hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to continue watching until the end of the video to see the end result. And if you are new here, hi, welcome, go and subscribe and click that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload my next video. Okay, let's get started. To start the background, I mixed pink and yellow together to create this amazing orange here. Paint the whole paper with orange using a big paintbrush and a little bit of water to help it spread. Now apply pink to cover the blank areas or edges and corners. Blend it down into the orange to create a slight gradient up the top and down the bottom. In the center, place some white paint, just like in my last video, in and out in a spiral, spreading it outwards, making a large circle like you can see me doing here. Add more white paint to the center to brighten it up, and now it should start looking more like a sun. With black paint, start outlining the tree and placing it wherever you like. Start filling in the tree trunk and branches and then dry with a hairdryer or leave it to dry. Grab your swabs or cotton tips, bunch them together with a rubber band, dab onto the paper where the branches are, mix up some paint to create different shades of orange and yellow, and you could also apply some red to make the autumn or fall leaf colours. I am now going in with some more yellow just to brighten up areas of the leaves. I made a green using my yellow and blue, dabbed it onto the paper using just one swab, and then I blended it out using the bunch of swabs. Darken the branches and trunk with some black. Now highlight with some white paint and blend it in to the black. This just gives the tree more dimension. Once you have finished highlighting, the piece is complete. Be sure to keep on watching to see the end result. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unexpected tutorial. Anyway, I do hope that next week I will have another one for you. Again, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you did enjoy this video, leave a like or comment down below, and until next time, stay creative. Bye.